We have discussed about vitamins, and can you tell me what are the different types of the nutrient of the vitamins? Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K, etc.
Yes. So there is vitamin D. So the total is 6. A, B, C, D, E, and K. Okay, so these are the vitamins that are present here. And then we have studied about, let's come to the page number 13, sources of some minerals. Okay, one by one you will read the sources of these minerals. So, Hitesh, please read the sources of some sources of iodine.
Ma'am, potato.
Iodine. It is given on page number 13.
Salt.
Yes.
Salt.
Avni.
Ma'am, ginger.
Yes.
Fish. Ginger, fish, crab, radish, and
It is spinach.
spinach.
Ginger, prawns are also there. You are saying white organism that is there. It is prawn, and crabs are also there, and salt is also present. So you can write them that salt, ginger, prawns, spinach, fish are the sources of iodine. So why we need iodine? So
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू मैम, आपने पेज नंबर कौन सा बताया था?
13 बच्चे.
ओके मैम.
Yes. So in the some sources of iodine we have discussed these three. Discuss the crab, salt, prawns, ginger, and spinach. So these are the sources of iodine. So what is the use of iodine? That it helps in it produces hormones in the body. That means chemical substances. You will come to know in the further classes that helps in growth and development of your body. Here, so iodine helps in the growth and development of the body. It produces some hormones. Clear? And the next, Prisha, please read some sources of phosphorus. The next one. Your voice is not audible, Prisha.
Now it is audible.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Wheat, rice, chili, banana, and milk.
Yes, very good. So these are the some sources of phosphorus. Why we need phosphorus? We require it for the formation of a teeth and bone. Okay, so why we require phosphorus? It is required for the formation of bones and teeth. Clear? Then next, Arman, read some sources of iron.
Ma'am, liver, spinach, pear, apple.
Yeah, it is spinach. Okay, so why we need iron? It helps in the formation of blood. Clear? It helps in the formation of blood. And next, calcium. Yashika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Bache.
Ma'am, milk, egg.
Very good. So, why we need calcium? Anyone? Please raise your hand. This is the most common that you have heard about also. Yes, Ghazal.
Ma'am, we need calcium for. Ma'am, we need calcium from that. Ma'am, my voice is clear.
Yes, yes.
We need calcium to get vitamins and minerals, example milk and egg.
No, so we requires calcium because write it down that it is it helps in the formation of bones and teeth. It makes our bone and teeth strong. Clear? Write it down. Okay, and the iodine, it is for the proper growth and development of the body. Phosphorus for the formation of bone and teeth, and iron in the formation of blood. Calcium, it is also for the formation of bones and teeth. Clear? So next we have discussed about roughage and water. Can anyone tell me one function of water? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Water helps to regulate our body temperature
Very good. It
and
helps. Yes. You want to add something?
we also drink water regularly at every day.
Yes, very good. So
Ma'am,
obviously
can I?
we yes,
It helps us to digest and it can help us to clean the stool pass by our body.
yes. So it also helps in throwing out the waste from our body. So next we have done the activity 3. Now come to the page number 14. Next, the topic 2.3. It is very important. It is balanced diet. So can you tell me, you have heard about balanced diet? What is balanced diet? We will discuss in detail. If you know something about
Can I?
yes, Tanishka.
Can I?
Ma'am, balanced diet is a diet which contains all types of nutrients in right amount for our body.
Yes.
It helps
So
in the growth of
Ma'am, what?
very good, Tanishka. It is a diet which contains all the nutrients, all the essential nutrients in right amount. Okay. So balanced diet. Do you think all the people of all ages require the same amount, same type of diet?
No, ma'am.
No. Can you tell me the reason why? Yes, Prishya.
Because children need to grow, so they need protein, and adults need amount of energy, and old people need
Old people, they do not need that much amount of carbohydrates because they generally stay indoor. Okay, so the balanced diet of a person depends upon the age. It depends upon the age. The diet varies from age to age. Clear? And the second is the work the person do. Okay, so it is the nature of work that is done by someone. Clear? So I am reading the para 2.3 last first column. The normal we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. So it should be in right quantity. Clear? Not too much of one and not too little of the other. ज़्यादा भी नहीं होना चाहिए और कम भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Such a diet is called balanced diet. Clear? You can underline it. And there should be a proper amount of each and every nutrient, and there should be also presence of dietary fibers, that is roughage and water also. Clear? And next is, there is a question for you that do you think that all the people of all ages need the same type of diet? So the answer is obviously no. because that is a child in his growing years need proteins and carbs to grow. For the proper development of body, they need proteins and proper amount of carbohydrates. Okay, and the young person who is doing hard work also needs more energy to do work. But the old person does not require that much of carbohydrates because they have to stay indoors. Okay, they do not have to perform any physical activity. Okay, so the next is, do you also think, there is another question for you, do you think that we need, do you also think that what we need for a balanced diet would depend upon the amount of physical work that we do? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
May you know the answer, bache? So I will tell you that I have told you that it varies from the person, the physical work that is done by the person. Okay, so the person who is staying in the office, who is doing work on sitting on a chair, he does not need that much of carbohydrates or fats. Okay, but a sportsman, take an example of sportsman, uh, he requires more amount of carbohydrates because he has to do a lot of physical work. Yeah. So the next is, there is an activity for you, that you have to prepare a chart of whatever you eat for a week of for a period of a week. You will prepare a chart on your notebook. Clear? Can you tell me, if we don't eat the specific nutrients, vitamins or minerals we are not taking it in proper amount, what will happen? What will happen if we don't take?
Excuse me, ma'am, can I? There will be question over.
Please raise your hand.
Can I?
You know the answer? Yes, Avni?
If we take a lot of fats in our diet, then we will become fat.
Yes.
So fat is good, and other nutrients as well are needed by our body in proper portion.
So
Not
if अगर हम fats को नहीं proper amount में ले रहे हैं या ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं, there will be a effect on our body that we can see. Okay. So but if there is a table that is given on 2.3. See this table?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जैसे कि अब वो हमें जो फैट्स है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है, प्रोटीन्स है, वो सब इक्वल अमाउंट में चाहिए होते हैं.
It should be in proper, not in equal amount. It should be in proper amount. Clear? जितनी हमारी बॉडी को रिक्वायर है उतना. Okay, your diet, balanced diet will be different from me. Okay, it's because of the age of difference in the age also, and the different type of work that we are doing. So in a proper amount, not in the equal amount. Clear? So if we are not taking the vitamins and minerals in proper amount, what will happen? We get some diseases. Okay, these diseases are given on table 2.3. So you have to draw this table on your notebook. Clear? So first thing you will do the chart. You will prepare the chart of the food that you are eating over a period of week, and next underline, write it down. And second, you will prepare a table 2.3 on your notebook. It is your homework. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, here in iodine, culture spelling is wrong.
We can actually you can write GOITRE. Clear? Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
But in some sources, I have, just give me a minute. In the sources, I have seen that these both are written. So you can write GOITRE. Yes, Harshpreet?
मैम आपने जैसे बोला कि हमने चार्ट लाना है हमारे पीरियड हमने क्या क्या खाया है, तो मैम हमने ब्रेकफास्ट एक ही मील लिखना है या फिर हमने तीनों मील्स लिखने हैं?
You have to write the breakfast, lunch, and dinner that you are eating for a week. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So, student, now it is clear. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write it on notebook or a chart.
On notebook, you have to prepare a small chart on the notebook only. Okay, there is no need of any chart.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we have eaten in breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we
Yes.
have write that in that
In
food
that chart.
there is fat, there is vitamin. Have to
No,
write that.
You will write what you are eating, the food item that you are eating. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
And then you will also check that just 1 minute, and you will also check that the nutrients that we have discussed are present in it or not. Clear? That you are eating the protein also, fats also in the proper amount. Yes.
मैम जो आपने अभी हमें बताया था मैम वो दोबारा आप रिपीट कर दो मैम, मेरा नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा था तब जो मैम आपने एक्टिविटी के बारे में बताया।
You have to prepare a chart of the food item that you are eating, okay, over a period of week. Clear? In the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then you will check that you are eating the right amounts of all the nutrients or not. Clear? And then you will prepare a table 2.3 on your notebook. You have to do both the work on your notebook. Yeah.
Ma'am, on page number 14, there is a cloud. Paheli wonders whether animal food also consists of these different components, and do they also need a balanced diet?
Yes, actually we are above it. We will discuss it. Okay. Actually, I have not written the above para also. Clear? We are coming to it. So the next para, pulses, groundnuts, soya beans, sprouted seeds, moong, and Bengal gram, fermented foods, South Indian foods. So what do you mean by fermented foods? So these are the foods that are prepared by the action of microorganisms. Clear? More about it you will know about. Okay, तो क्या होता है जब fermented foods बनते हैं तो उसमें कोई ना कोई microorganisms work करते हैं और वो क्या है वो double हो जाता है. ठीक है? You might have seen your mothers preparing a dough. मैदे का वो उसमें कोई powder use करते हैं, then what will happen? It doubles in size. That is used in making the bread also and in making pastries and cakes.
That is yeast.
Yes, it is yeast. Yes.
Ma'am, in curd also.
Yes, curd also. In the curd there is action of microorganisms. So next is fermented foods. Now it is clear to you. And you have also seen before preparing idli, your mother will prepare a batter. उसको थोड़ी देर भिगो के रखते हैं उस मींस के पल्सेस को या जो भी उनको इंग्रेडिएंट यूज होना है, दे सोक इट इन वाटर.
यस सर, मैम रवा भिगो के रखते हैं.
हाँ. And a combination of flours, missi roti, thepla. Thepla actually it is a flat bread. Okay, that is made from the cereals and pulses. Okay, it is famous Gujarati flat bread. Okay, that is made from the cereals and pulses. And next is banana, spinach, sattu. So what is sattu? It is a protein rich that is made from, it is a protein rich flour that is prepared from the pulses and cereals. Okay, and they also use chana in it. Clear? And the next is jaggery.
मैम आपने मैम आपने जो चार्ट बनाने के लिए कहा है मैम उसको मैम कॉलम बना के लिखना है।
बिल्कुल यस बच्चे, obviously you will write the food break, lunch, breakfast and then dinner, and then you will check that the nutrients are present in it, all the nutrients are present or not. Clear? So next
मैम जो आपने टेबल पॉइंट 2 दिए मैम वो कहाँ पर लिखा है?
on your notebook बच्चे. Yes, now next is you know what is jaggery? Concentrate here. Good. Yes. So are available vegetables and other such food provides many nutrients. So the all the these that we have, that I have read, these provide many types of nutrients. Okay, so this if someone want to get the balanced diet, it is not that much expensive. Clear? वो अपनी जो सिंपल जो खाना है वेजिटेबल है इंक्लूड करके एक प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट ले सकता है. There is no need to spend more money. Okay, and eating the thing is not the eating the right kind of food is not enough. Okay, you have to prepare the food in a proper manner also. आपने देखा होगा आपके जो मदर्स हैं वो वॉश करते हैं वेजिटेबल्स, कुक करने से पहले उनको वॉश करते हैं. Yes, so why they do? So that the different types of dirt that is present, it can be removed. But अब हम उनको ज्यादा ही अगर वाटर से के साथ उसको धोते जाएं, उसको साफ करते रहें, it is good. Yes, you can answer.
Ma'am, no.
Yes, it
Ma'am,
is.
no. Ma'am,
Why?
because all the vitamin and mineral are washed with water.
Yes, so all the nutrients that are present are lost. Okay, so there are now coming to the next para. Eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should also be cooked properly so that its nutrients are not lost. Underline this. So that its nutrients are not lost. Clear? आपको पता है कि nutrients lost हो जाते हैं जब उनको cook करते हैं, जब उसको prepare करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
How? It is your journal observation. So, if the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, it may result in the loss of the nutrients that are present in it. Okay, because even the skin, the peel of that vegetable or fruit also contain nutrients. Here, they contains vitamins and minerals. So what is present in the peels? It is vitamins and minerals. अगर हम उनको दोबारा वाटर से वॉश करते रहेंगे तो क्या होगा, ये सारे विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स जो हैं उसमें से डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएंगे. Clear? So you must remember that the skins of the many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Clear? Now come to the page number 15, the top of the line. Second line, the skin of many vegetables and fruit contains vitamins and minerals. Okay, so इसलिए जब उनको वॉश करते रहेंगे पल्सेस को, जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा आपके मम्मा जो है राइस को वॉश करते हैं, पल्सेस को वॉश करते हैं, so it will get destroyed. Here, what we can do if we are soaking the water in which we are soaking the rice, we can use it to knead the flour. Here, जो स्टॉक उनमें से बच जाता है जिसमें उनको साफ जब वॉश किया है, so you can use it. Okay, but only give 2 to 3 washing. Here, not more than that. You are washing the pulses 5 or 6 times, it will destroy all the nutrients. Okay, so 2 to 3 it is fine, but more than that it will destroy the nutrients. And also you can use the stock. Okay, जो जब आपने उसको भिगो के रखा था, जो पानी बच गया, you can उससे जो है आप knead उसको flour के you can use it for kneading the flour also. Clear? Show a thumbs up if this topic is clear to you all. Okay, now next is, we all know that cooking improves the taste of food and make it easier to digest. Okay, at the same time, cooking also result in the loss of certain nutrients, many useful proteins, and considerable amounts of minerals are lost if excess water is used, that we have discussed. कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर हम excess में water जो है use करेंगे उनको wash करने के लिए, it will remove all the, it will destroy all the, there will be loss of nutrients, okay, proteins and minerals. Clear? And the next, the very important point, that which vitamin get destroyed by heating. जब हम cooking कर रहे हैं, हम उसको heat दे रहे हैं, तो what is the name of that nutrient that get easily destroyed by the heat?
Ma'am, vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
So it is very important to
Vitamin
know
C.
that. Can you tell me vitamin C is present in which type of food items?
खट्टी चीजों में.
Yes, citrus. Very good. Can you
खट्टी
give
चीजों में.
example of citrus fruits?
Ma'am, lemon.
Lemon.
Orange.
Lemon,
This
orange.
is also
Mosambi.
this is
आंवला.
आंवला.
Ma'am, tomato orange.
टोमेटो में नहीं होता है. टोमेटो में नहीं होता है. It is present in orange, lemon, and guava that we have discussed in the previous sources of vitamin C also.
Lemon.
Yes.
Guava is not a citrus
Ma'am,
fruit.
Mosambi.
Yes.
हम
Guava is
tomato.
not citrus
But it
fruit.
contains, yes, but it contains vitamin C. Sorry, it contains vitamin C. So the next is, would it not be sensible to include some fruits and raw vegetables in our diet? So there is need of to include the fruits and raw vegetables in our diet.
Yes.
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 Okay, I will take the answer from. Please raise your hand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Guava is a citrus fruit.
No, it contains vitamin C.
Okay.
Yes, Tanisha. Yes, but there is need to include vitamins, fruits and vegetables in our diet. Avni,
Ma'am, yes.
can you tell me, bache, why?
Ma'am, because like vitamin C is there. When we cook it, this vitamin is lost. So we should eat it raw instead of cooked. But only some things are there which can be blended, not all.
Yes.
We
Yes,
should eat
very
raw
good, bache.
vitamin
So these are required in the proper amount because it gives us so many types of many types of nutrients that it gives. Okay. And the next is that it provides. You can also add a point that it provides fiber. It provides a roughage, dietary fibers that are also present. Clear? So dietary fibers add bulk. Okay, and it helps. It save us from constipation also. Clear? So there is need to include the fruits and vegetables in our diet. And the next is, Bujo thought that fats would be the best foods to eat all the time. So can you survive only on fats as it gives us more energy?
No.
We have studied that fats gives us more energy than
No.
carbohydrates.
Ma'am, we can't survive.
No.
If suppose that if there is any person, there is a boy whose name is Bunny, who is eating only the chips, burger, rasmalai, these types of food item, then what will happen?
He will get
very sad.
He will
It will cause obesity.
he will get obesity.
there will be, and he will, then there is a gain in the weight of that student. Okay, in the weight of bunny, the weight of bunny will increase and he will become fat. Okay, so there is a condition named obesity. It is given obesity. So what do you mean by obesity? That it is a condition when the person is getting more weight, okay, than the normal one due to constant eating. So it is a condition.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Then yes,
मैम ओबेसिटी का आप दोबारा से मतलब बता दो मैम, मेरा नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा था.
it's okay, I'm telling you. Just give me a minute. I am pasting your Google form. You will mark the attendance. Clear? Yes. Now, so what do you mean by obesity? It is a condition when the person eats and person having more amount of fats, more amount of fats than normal. Than normal due to continuous eating. Due to continuous eating. Clear? So obesity is a condition when the person will gain some weight, okay, and he is eating only the fried chips, burger, because it is also fried, junk food. Then what will happen? And he is also eating for 4 hours. So what will happen? The person will become obese, okay, and the condition when person having more amount of fat than normal due to continuous eating, this is called obesity. Yeah. So can you tell me some other food items that are given in your book also at the top of the page number 15? Fried food like samosa and puri, malai, rabdi and peda. So can you tell me it is useful for the bunny?
No.
It is
No.
harmful.
Ma'am, no.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes, it is harmful.
Okay, so
Ma'am, yes, it is harmful.
Harmful if it is
Yes, it is
taken.
harmful.
fats is not harmful. But if the person is taking in more and large amount, then it is harmful. Clear? Which gives us more energy, a katori of fats or a katori of carbohydrates?
A katori of
Calorie of carbohydrate.
carbohydrates.
Carbohydrate.
Ma'am,
Category of fats.
carbohydrates.
Which
Fat.
will
Category of fats.
And fat.
you will find the answer that which gives a katori of carbohydrates or fats give you more energy.
Fats
Telling you what
Fat.
Ma'am,
you are
fats.
changing your statement. You are telling that a katori of fats. Firstly, you are telling about the katori of carbohydrates. Now, you will find the answer.
Fats.
Ma'am, fats.
Sir Gurpreet, can you explain, bache, why you are saying that a katori of fats?
Ma'am, because fats give us more energy than carbohydrates.
And I have also mentioned. Yes, Manjot, you want to add something?
Ma'am, fats are heavier than carbohydrates. That's why we don't need to have. We don't need to take food after a little time after eating fats. But carbohydrates are lighter, So we need to take them.
It will stay in your stomach for more time. So it is giving, you don't feel hungry. Okay. And it gives you energy. Clear? Because it takes time to digest it. Very good, Manjot. Students, today I will call the roll number 32 to 39.